All eyes on Doge. Big run up. To the moon. Whew. Doge still going up. All eyes on Doge. Still big run up. To the moon. Keep going up. Going up. All eyes on Doge. Dogecoin. Up. Movement in Doge. Dogecoin. Up. All eyes on Doge. Dogecoin. Up. Movement in Doge. Dogecoin. 42.69. All eyes on Doge. Dogecoin.
Hey everybody, Kriss here. Welcome on a Wednesday. How's everybody doing? There's a lot to cover today. We do have a lot of news today. We had SEC, looks like they're dropping case against XRP. So XRP got a pump this morning. We've got Solana ETFs, maybe starting tomorrow. So Solana pumped. We've got the FOMC meeting and what happened there. And then we've got Dogecoin at the Indy 500. What's that? Indy 500, Dogecoin, House of Doge is doing business. That's right. They are here for business, co-sponsoring a Dogecoin wrap on an Indy 500 card. And we're going to get into the details on that because it's better than you think. It's even better than you think, guys. This is awesome. And someone's going, oh, what does that have to do with Dogecoin? Is that going to make the price pump? It's all laying the groundwork, right? It's laying the groundwork. It's marketing. It's getting Dogecoin out there. It's all good. I know some of you guys don't have patience, though. And I've been talking about patience. But that's where we start today, guys. So, hey, we hit 17.5 cents again. So out of the 16s. Again, out of the dreaded 16s. But there was a little spicy action earlier. That was all Bitcoin. So this is what Bitcoin was doing. And we knew during the FOMC, particularly when the interest rate came out, which of course we knew, right, as KrissPax had predicted, was going to be no rate cut. But still, that doesn't stop the market makers from pushing the price around. Exactly what happened. And then during the Jerome Powell Q&A session, there were some good things talked about. Market responded very nicely. So a lot of ups and downs going, and Bitcoin came all the way up to 85.9, almost 86,000. There's a key number at 89,000. We will talk about that as well. So here's the Solana. Solana had this nice pump. ETF tomorrow? Didn't see that coming, but someone said it. We'll be watching that for sure. And then XRP this morning had this pump over here. This nice big pump that we had on XRP. SEC is dropping their case against them. They still have some stuff going on with Coinbase and some others. We got to just clear all that out, but one thing at a time. So XRP had a nice pump. So that's where we start, guys. What's going on? Doge responding well. Chart is looking positive, favorable. But it's not just Doge. I mean, it's Bitcoin as well, looking nice and favorable. ETH was going up this morning. So a lot of talk about ETH, which was taking the Bitcoin dominance and dumping it a little bit. But Bitcoin dominance did come back. This Bitcoin was showing strength this afternoon during the FOMC. So as predicted, we would have the Bitcoin dominance. There's no alt season yet. There's no alt season. Bitcoin is still the big daddy, but we do have some good movement in Doge as well. Overall, look, Ben Cowan, the Fed, slowing quantitative tightening, slowing QT, not dropping it. It's not dropping it altogether, but the committee will slow the pace decline of its security holdings by reducing the monthly redemption cap on Treasury securities from $25 billion to $5 billion, moving in the right direction, and the markets like that. Little uncertainty still about inflation with tariffs. They can't tell specifically, because there were questions asked, right? How much increased inflation are we going to see because of tariffs? And Jerome Powell's like, we can't tell. There's a lot of factors that go into inflation. And so some people are talking about stagflation again. Could we see that? But the economy is not slowing down. The economy is actually picking up. We're seeing manufacturing increase. That's the other side of tariffs, right? The other side of tariffs is more stuff going to be made in the United States, which helps that manufacturing side. The markets responded favorably, good move up, and also not only in crypto, but the S&P 500 went up this afternoon, the NASDAQ went up this afternoon, and even the Dow Jones went up this afternoon. Little sell-off right at the end of the closing. Not surprised about that. Doge now over 1750, 1753 now, so we're having a continuation with crypto right now after the stock market has closed. So that's good. We were going to talk dot plots, right? I said I would look at the dot plots. A little surprising shift higher in the 25 Fed dots. So again, not expecting as many rate cuts as before. So looks like most are just going to stick with 2 cuts this year. Probably not May, maybe June. We'll see, but I don't see much difference there. Crypto Rover reporting on the big whale, right? So the big whale went long earlier and then closed that position and then just entered another new short position. Yes, another short position with 384 Bitcoin. 384 Bitcoin at a price of 85,700. Entered the short with a liquidation price of 89K. 89,094 is the target. That's a long ways up there for Bitcoin to go to wipe out this. So I don't see that happening. They're going to make money. Now, right now, Bitcoin is not going down. It's actually going up. So he is now losing on this trade. He started it at 85.7, and now Bitcoin is at, it's at 85.7. It's exactly where it was now. He was down a little bit ago, but this is just a big ass trade. The value of the trade at a 40x is $32 million. That's big. So we'll be watching that. It's all kind of interesting to watch. Thinking that the price is going to dump. And we just still don't know who this is. So why is Dogecoin going up? Why is Dogecoin going up? Well, one thing is certainly Bitcoin, right? Dogecoin continues to follow Bitcoin, just like 99% of the cryptos will follow. So that's just the crypto market. That's how markets go too. Stock markets do the same thing. Stock market is going up. 95% of stocks are all up for the day. Stock market dumps. 95% of the stocks also go down. That's the way the markets work. It's the same thing with crypto. So crypto's up. Almost everything is up. BNB tailing off a little bit. Don't know why about that, but we like to see green. So a green day is good. And because there's all these talk about ETFs, it's still like, we had Grayscale, again, launched the Dogecoin Trust earlier, and then they applied to the SEC, then to convert that trust into an ETF. Yes, the spot Doge exchange traded fund. Still, Polymarket is still at 70% likelihood that will get approved. But if the Solana ETF is actually going to get approved tomorrow, that means that they didn't take the whole 240 days. to do a Solana ETF approval. So maybe the Dogecoin ETF will come sooner. Personally, as I've told you, not a fan of ETFs. I just want you to buy. If you want Dogecoin, just buy Dogecoin. Buy the coin, not the ETF. Dogecoin's not a store of value. You can go play that game with Bitcoin. But that's Doge. So yeah, that's what's going on overall with Doge. But the big news today, this is huge, guys. And this morning I was noticing the House of Doge was reposting some Indy 500 stuff on their timeline. And I was like, that's interesting. Maybe they're going to get into racing. Well, yes, they are. The House of Doge, bringing historic Dogecoin partnership to the Indianapolis 500, along with a mission to give back. So there's a lot to unpack here. I'm going to read a bit, because there's a lot here. There's a lot here. Dogecoin Racing. They even have a name for this called Dogecoin Racing. So this is like an arm of the House of Doge, I think, called Dogecoin Racing, which means this may not be a one-time deal. This Indy 500 thing. This may not be a one-time deal. Could we see NASCAR again? Could we see F1? What else is House of Doge going to do? Remember, they are worldwide, right? They're talking about worldwide, based in America, but worldwide. F1 would be awesome. But this is Indy 500. So the Dogecoin Racing, launched by the House of Doge and the Dogecoin Foundation, is teaming up with IndyCar Series driver Devlin DeFrancesco, and we'll talk about Devlin in just a minute, and RLL Racing to bring Dogecoin to the iconic motorsports event, the Indy 500, while also supporting a cause that is deeply personal to the team. We'll talk about that in a minute. The Indy 500, called the greatest spectacle in racing, returns for its 109th running on Memorial Day weekend, May 25th. So May 25th, we are going to have a Dogecoin wrapped car in the Indy 500. So a Dogecoin wrapped race car will take center stage, empowering fans with the opportunity to vote on the Indy 500 car design, which features the iconic Dogecoin Shiba Inu. So Devin DeFrancesco, professional race car, he's using his platform to give back to critically ill children. So as part of this Doge-tastic partnership, DeFrancesco, also a dog lover and Dogecoin fan, he's not just driver, he's a Dogecoin fan, will personally donate $25,000 in Dogecoin to the Riley Children's Foundation in Indianapolis. And there's an opportunity for others then to match and give, and maybe even more. So, DeFrancesco also has committed to receive $100,000 of his salary in Dogecoin. That's right. From his salary that he's going to get, he's taking part of his salary in Dogecoin, right? That's awesome. This is a bold step forward for crypto adoption in professional sports. We've heard about, some professional athletes taking Bitcoin as payment. This guy, he's taking Doge. Devin says, I first invested in Dogecoin in 2020 and drove everyone crazy, telling anyone who would listen that they needed to own it. It's not only my favorite crypto, but the plan to become a global currency and drive payment adoption is awesome. I'm pumped to be part of the community and an ambassador for the vision. So the driver gets it, right? He is pro Dogecoin. So it's not just like a sponsorship coming in and like putting a sponsor decal on a car. No, the driver is a Dogecoin fan, and he's going to take part of his salary in Dogecoin. So, to celebrate the making of Dogecoin history, the House of Doge, Dogecoin Foundation, and RLL Racing are launching a fan-powered contest allowing the Dogecoin community to choose the official race car wrap and helmet design that Devlin will wear in the Indy 500. So from March 19th to March 25, fans can vote on their favorite design. I know some of you have already voted. I've already voted because I had posted all this on X earlier. And you can enter to win a Dogecoin wallet loaded with $1,000. So you can win some Doge. We all like winning Doge, right? We like winning Doge. The voting is open now. There's 3 potential versions. So we go to this site, which is Dogecoin.com. It's indycar.dogecoin.com. And there are links from my X post that I had this morning. If you go to my profile here at KrissPax, if you don't already follow me, and here it is, Dogecoin sponsoring an Indy 500 car. And there's the link right there. So you can get the link directly from my X account. And of course, if you haven't already followed me, do follow me. I am at KrissPax on X, and you'll see the link there. And from that link, you will see, you get your choice. What do you like? Dogecoin wrap? Do you like the Blaze? Do you like the Turbo Wave? Or do you like the Banana Boost? I do not know who came up with these designs. Personally, I might have picked something a little different. These colors are kind of 80s, you know, kind of 1980-ish. But they're fun. But this is a fun thing. So go ahead and vote. And when you vote, you will be entered into a giveaway for a Dogecoin wallet. But it's not only the Foundation and House of Doge and RLL Racing, but MCQ, Born Fast, Steinbrenner Management. It's like Steinbrenner. Wait, aren't those the guys that own the New York Yankees? The Steinbrenners? What? So there's a lot going on here. The House of Doge is just getting started, guys. They're just getting started. And this is their first thing that they do. This is their first thing. The Indy 500 is the fastest closed circuit race on Earth. We need your vote. So vote for the Blaze, for the Turbo Wave, for the Banana Boost. In order to vote, you need to have an X account because it wants to make sure one vote per one X account. So you have to have an X account at least to vote. So here's a little bit of background about Devlin, and he's from Toronto, Canada. What else happens in Toronto, Canada? What else happens in Toronto, Canada? Wait, do the Toronto Blue Jays play in Toronto? They do. Well, who happens to be with the Toronto Blue Jays? Well, there's one of the VPs there who's on the board of the House of Doge. It's all starting to come together. It's all starting to come together. Devlin now lives in Miami, Florida. Wasn't Tim Stebbing in Miami last month? Yeah. Tim Stebbing was in Miami last month. It's all starting to come together. Some people, the House of Doge not doing anything. It's like, guys, these things take time to build up. And then, of course, they talk about the MyDoge wallet here. If you don't already have your own MyDoge wallet, it is a free, secure, self-custodial Dogecoin wallet. And that's, of course, the main wallet I use for sending and receiving Dogecoin. So this is pretty big stuff. So you can vote for the Blaze, you can vote for the Turbo Wave, you can vote for the Banana Boost, and then you can Dogenate. Not a great word. I got to admit it. Dogenate. It's like donate, but with a G. Dogenate. You can Dogenate to Children's Health for a chance to win the ultimate collector's prize. That's right. The largest Dogecoin donor leading up to race day will receive an exclusive one-of-a-kind Indy 500 racing helmet worn and signed by DeFrancesco himself during the Indy 500 qualifying run. And this is all a campaign to directly benefit Riley Children's Foundation. So there is some good stuff as well, helping a good need. So this is big stuff. Big stuff. Of course, the race itself is May 25th. I may have to watch the Indy 500 this year. I haven't watched it in years and years and years, but hey, there's a Dogecoin wrapped car in the Indy 500. So I may have to watch that. So the House of Doge team believes the future of money is already digital. And with Dogecoin's speed and efficiency, it's the ideal solution for the modern financial ecosystem. The team's goal is to make Dogecoin a widely accepted decentralized currency for everyday use worldwide. To achieve this, House of Doge focuses on aggregating Dogecoin liquidity through robust operations in the US, creating a strategic reserve that will support its seamless use in commerce and government transactions. They are building the infrastructure necessary to ensure secure, efficient, and scalable Dogecoin transactions. Oh yeah, Marvin, he's got to win now, right? Can you imagine winning the race? Hope he doesn't like wipe out in the first lap like the NASCAR guy did. Well, it might not have been the first lap, but it was early, if I recall. That last NASCAR race that there was a Dogecoin wrapped car in. But this is big, guys. This is pretty big. Pretty big. House of Doge website has not been updated. It's still the same thing. So we're still waiting to hear like who the rest of the people are involved and some of these early partnerships. Although the Indy 500, that's pretty good. That's pretty good. That's a pretty good start, to come out with like, we're gonna wrap an IndyCar with Dogecoin, and that's pretty good. Meanwhile, we were talking about pullbacks yesterday, and I just still had this open in case we saw a pullback because a lot of people were talking about bear markets, and I'm like, bear markets? Yeah, I'm not seeing that right now. I'm kind of seeing up right now. We're going up. So no more bears in the house. Where are the bears? Feeling better, A-Star? I saw that you weren't feeling well, but you're feeling better about the markets today. This is good. Bitcoin up to 85.7. It'd be great if Bitcoin went up to 89 and just totally wiped that guy out. That'd be awesome. ETH showing some strength like we showed earlier. Even Cardano coming up. Did Cardano flip Dogecoin? Did that happen? Let me get this up to date. Nope. Dogecoin is still in 8th place by about $130 million. So Dogecoin still in 8th place. All right. Just had to check that just to make sure. What else was moving? Harmony One has been showing a lot of strength. I used to own this. Looks like Harmony One is trading up nicely. And of course, we had the big XRP pump this morning for XRP holders. I always told you can make money on XRP. I just don't like the project, but you can make money there. And that's XRP. A few other big ones. Stacks finally starting to make a nice steady move up because I own some of that in the KrissPax DCA portfolio. Got a long ways to go to recover back, but yeah, it's a good start for stacks. Of course, Bitcoin dominance we showed. Big dump this morning when ETH was going up, but is coming right back. Bitcoin is still in charge. The Doge Bitcoin trading pair is barcoding. This is basic barcoding. It's like not really doing much for the Doge Bitcoin trading pair. So Doge is pretty much following Bitcoin right now. So did Dogecoin get a little pump out of this news about the Indy 500? Not really. It doesn't really do anything particularly for Dogecoin itself, but it is a marketing thing that does get the name Dogecoin out there, especially if the guy wins the race. So that's what we got going on, guys, today. It's pretty big. That's pretty big today. I do have to say that. That's pretty big. How are you guys doing? How are you guys doing? Oh, did you watch Tom Crown, Wildman? I was there for a lot of it because I was working at the same time, so I kind of had it on the side. He does the best coverage of those FOMC meetings. Always entertaining. The whole Kelly O'Grady woman in green thing was kind of fun during the show. It's all good. Ryan going on vacation, expecting a pump. I would like to see that as well. Yeah, Matt, I don't think the whole Indy 500 Dogecoin wrapped car is a big catalyst. If it wins, yeah, that would be cool. And we saw that with the NASCAR as well. It was just like, it wasn't a huge deal. It's just a fun thing, but not a catalyst. It doesn't really increase adoption. I mean, certainly the driver taking, part of his salary in Dogecoin, that's pretty good. And of course, having donations going to a good cause, always good in Dogecoin. But yeah, when I say big, Anthony, I'm not talking about the price, right? That's not what this is big in terms of setting what the House of Doge is doing with their partnerships. That is the stepping stone to the real big thing, global adoption of Dogecoin. I mean, seriously. And you can laugh at that all you want, but these guys mean business. I don't think they're messing around. That's what I'm saying. Yeah, Doge Nate. Hype. You had so much time to buy buy crypto at low prices. You had so much time to do that. And now you want it to drop down so you can buy. I'm like, I don't know what to say. I don't know what to say. If Doge partnered with Dunkin' Donuts, boss, that would be big. That's what I voted for, Weather Girl. Same. That's what I voted for. The Blaze. I'd like a $1,000 wallet full of Dogecoin. That would be awesome. You're rooting for the Doge IndyCar to win the race? Me too. The Doge Nation. Ooh, Ryan. The Doge Nation. That's pretty good. No other crypto is doing stuff like this. Not that I know of. Not that I know of. You neither, Sunshine, but you're going to watch Indy this year? Yeah, we're going to watch the Indy 500. I should do a live stream, right? Just live stream the Indy 500 and just point out what the Doge car is doing. Just voted. Win the championship. You're in Indy. I know, they're all left turns, Ryan. Only left turns around a Doge nut, right? Hey, Greg, how are you? I might need to take MyDoge out for a walk. Get those likes up, everybody. The word of the day, Doge nut. Doge nut. And of course, it's all rigged. It's all rigged. Where can you find a link to the short? Just follow those guys on X who follow that stuff. Just do a search on X. F1, how are you? You knew all along, didn't you? Yep, F1. It was a side. Doge is a contender. Yeah, we have a contender. Yeah, Tom's a lot of fun on those streams. He definitely is. And he called, spicy price action, and it came. Not exactly like you predicted it, but it did come. Exactly. Sets the stage for what's next. Yeah, Fartcoin's running today. I don't know why. Anthony, it's just like if you want to go, I don't know who does Fartcoin streams, but you can go watch them. Nobody does fart. It's a stupid meme token. But doesn't mean you can't make money on it, right? Fartcoin. Awesome. I'm going to ask my electrical contractor I work for if I get paid in Dogecoin. You should ask him that, Jason. Just see what he says. Trump is going to address the Digital Assets Summit in New York on March 20th. Yeah, because when he addressed the Bitcoin conference, he was still running. Now he's the sitting president. That's big. Yeah. Yeah, there's no Bitcoin sponsored IndyCar that I saw. Doge Nate. I know Isabella, right? Doge Nate. You did buy and you want more. I do too, but I don't want the price to go back down again. Just let it go. Let it run. Let's get out of the teens. Get back up in the 20s. That's what I want. Right, Isabel, exactly. No drop down. Quit asking for that. Let's go. You had plenty of time to buy on the dips. Vance going to vote after the stream? You're going to wrap your car in Doge? Going to wrap your car? That'd be cool. I know I had the door closed, cat. Pax cat is yelling outside to come in. I had the door closed. Sure, Pax cat, whatever you want. Whatever you want. You have a budget of $2,500 per month to buy. That's a pretty good budget. That's a pretty good buying budget. And sometimes it's not dipping when the money becomes available. I know the feeling. I do know the feeling. But I borrowed from myself, remember, to get that 15-cent Doge. That was good. Sally's Dream, welcome. As long as Danica isn't driving. But she did pretty well, you got to admit. She did pretty well. And then she flipped over to NASCAR and did okay with NASCAR too. You're going to wrap your car in Doge? There's this guy on an X who has a wrapped car. I think it's like, it's Doge tipping, isn't it? It's Doge tipping. The ultimate wrapped car. Cybertruck. a wrapped Cybertruck. How about that? There you go. Wrapped a Cybertruck. Your wife said, ask Kriss to do a live stream. If you want to live stream the Indy 500, I wouldn't know what to say. I don't know about Indy racing that much. I'll be watching. What to buy, Will? What to buy? $17,000 in cash left, huh? Oh, there's a cat making an appearance. Hi, buddy. What's up? I know, right? You're on. You're on, buddy. How long is the kangaroo market going to last? Yeah, maybe to the Indy 500. No, that's the end of May. That's May 25th. The same goes with stocks, but it's been true for crypto too. So I don't know. I don't know, Matt. You go to YouTube Premium to get rid of the commercials. I have no control over them. That is Google. Google Ads does the Google stuff on YouTube. And Tim Hortons? I don't know. A fart coin wrapped. A car wrapped fart coin. That'd be awesome, right? Watch party for the Indy 500? Yeah, maybe. Maybe. May 25th, a long ways away still. Fart coin is quite possibly stinky. You guys. Oh, Anthony. It's just like, God, man, just enjoy it for what it is, dude. Yeah, if we have, if Trump is talking at a conference, nobody's going to like what he has to say, most likely. That's true. When is that? March 20th? Wait, that'd be tomorrow. I don't know about that. Brazil did a thing where employees can take up to 50% of their pay in crypto. That's cool. He's such a good kitty. Such a good kitty. What do you want, buddy, huh? What do you want? No, don't go in there. No, that's trouble. No, that is total trouble. You're going to get stuck. No. Oh, God. If my camera dumps, it's the cat's fault. You shouldn't be in there, dude. You should not be in there. Oh, God. This might get dangerous. This might get totally dangerous. There's a little gap between my monitors and where the camera is, and he is stuck in there now. Get. Why do you have to do this to me? Why do you have to do this to me? I know you guys love the Pax cat, but sometimes he's a pain in the ass. There's no room for you. champagne. That's all he wanted, was the hug. And he got it. Yeah. Stupid cat. The back cat is in the house. Yeah, there's always that, Sally's dream. There's always that, like, I'm going to wait till it drops lower, and then it drops lower. And then, oh no, I'm going to wait till it even drops more. Always the Pax cat wrapped Indy car. What do you think, buddy? You're going to promote Doge down in South America? Awesome, Christian. All good stuff going on with Doge. Wrap the house in Doge. And you have a true house of Doge. That's good. Feeling the FOMO? Things are starting to look good for crypto right now. Starting to see it turn around. No, Charlotte. No. No Pax Cat token. No. Yeah, I know. Yeah, I know. Oh, go get him. Go get him. I don't want you. Stay there. I'll put a Dogecoin sticker on the work van. There you go. If you're allowed to do that. Got to promote Doge every way you can. Yeah, I don't know about Teslas, though. Yeah, particularly the Teslas are getting keyed and wrecked, set on fire. That's pretty bad. That's pretty bad. I'm not a secret driver. No, definitely not. Raider fan says, say at 17K, be grabbing ADA, XRP. A lot of good ones are going to run once the whole market turns around, takes off again. What, you can't tune into me when you're down in South America? I'm here. If you can have All Eyes on Doge song in the ads, that'd be good. The Doge nut. You're such a good kitty, and then he gets yelled at. Yeah, he's about 4.5 years old, Sunshine. Is it up from here? That is a good question. Right now, things are looking good. We'll see whether this continues. Upward movement. Right now, it's looking like a little red candle. But there's never a dull moment in this house, I'll tell you, Greg. Never a dull moment. Let's go. Yes, he was stuck. Just about knocked over my whole camera setup. Hendrik Larson car would be better. They have a better team. I know the RLL team has like David Letterman as one of the L's. It's like David Letterman. It's like Dave. Oh, Anthony, you're just so much fun. You must be a lot of fun to have around. You must be a lot of fun. The bottom could very well already be in. That's right. That 14.4 that we had last week, that was a good price. Where can I purchase Dogecoin stickers? Where can I purchase Dogecoin stickers? Accessories. Stickers. You want some stickers? You can get some stickers in my store. You can get Doge on a rocket sticker. You can get Cool Doge sticker. You can get the Dogecoin logo on a sticker. Dogecoin with shades on a sticker. The Dogecoin itself on a sticker. You can get the fun-loving Doge on a sticker. The Dogecoin logo. Radius Doge. That's where you can purchase Dogecoin stickers, guys. I got some Bitcoin stuff too. You want Bitcoin sticker? You can have a Bitcoin sticker too. But yes, you can get 4x4. I guess that's the only size. Is that right? Yeah, I think it's kind of limited in size. Is that right? Oh, it's the color you change. Yeah, they're all 4" by 4". It's the color. You can get a transparent edge if you want a transparent edge. Yeah, I'd probably go with that. Go with the transparent edge. Pretty cool. It's only $1.99. It's only $1.99 for a sticker, Ramses. Wow, that's cheap. Now, while you're there, you can also pick up, some clothing, a hat, tote bag, other things. But stickers, $1.99. I have a link in the description below, right to the KrissPax store. Check out the stickers, guys. You know I don't shill that store very often, but if somebody asks, I'm like, I'll talk about it. The Fed said, we don't know what, guys, it is what it is. I know, it's something like that. Yep. And inflation, is it being caused by tariffs or other things? I don't know. We can't tell. Dogecoin has been used for test transactions on Starlink. Yeah, that's the whole radio Doge. Radio Doge. Oh, Greg, but people love to be greedy. Come on. That's built into crypto, is greed. And you know that, right? It's built in. No, don't Google it. Just use my link. Dogecoin stickers. And like and subscribe, of course. Thank you, Greg. Yeah, I saw the thing with Teslas. That's crazy that there's a database somewhere of a list of people who own Teslas, and they're publishing that. That's crazy. Kevo also voted for Blaze. I'm a Blaze fan. Please run the concert song because of the Indy car. Sure.
All eyes on Doge. Big runner. To the moon. Whew. Doge still going up. All eyes on Doge. Still big runner. To the moon. Keep going up. Going up. All eyes on Doge. Dogecoin. Up. Movement in Doge. Dogecoin. Up. All eyes on Doge.
That's pretty good news today, guys. If you don't know what we're talking about, I covered it in the first 15 minutes, went through the deets on Dogecoin wrapped IndyCar in this year's Indy 500 race on May 25th, and you can vote for your favorite car. And when you vote, you're entered to win a wallet with $1,000 worth of Doge in it. So that's pretty cool. Dogecoin. What's going to happen to Solana if the ETF does kick off tomorrow? Probably a big nothing burger is my guess. Today had the little pump on the news. This is how crypto goes, right? Right? Hype on the news. And then the actual thing happens. But we'll see. Buy Doge now, sell Doge now. Just watch and wait, Anthony. I can't tell you what to do, man. I tell you when to buy in theoretical, like big red dips, like we had last week. I was saying dips, guys. These are the dips. I don't know, man. Isn't that a fair price, Ramon? Isn't that a fair price? $1.99 for a sticker. You'd like the banana boat? Banana boost, Jason? Oh. $1.99 is like 11 Dogecoins. It's not bad. You get 3 for 33 Doge, right? You want the cat, but Kriss said no. Yep. That's right. Yes, the KrissPax store. It's a good store. Got a lot of stuff in it. What do you want? We got here, women's t-shirts. You just click on that and you get all the women's t-shirts. And then you can go through all the different styles, different colored shirts. Store works pretty well. The only thing they don't do is accept Dogecoin. And I got to get back. Maybe I should just go to House of Doge and say, hey, House of Doge guys, get with this store. Get them accepting Dogecoin. Gotta have it. Gotta have it. Exactly. Charlotte can have the cat when he's being a pain in the ass. Then Charlotte can have the cat. Oh, we're all friends here, Pepito. We're all friends. So we're only at 114 likes, Greg. We're only at 114. So that's pretty poor. And you would think people who come on this stream and hang out here know better than to not like the stream. Pretty poor. Yeah, Blaze for sure. That's what I voted for. Mario Kart. That original Mario Kart Wii is like the best game ever. Best game ever. You're watching the Doge dance on 2X. Wow. I don't know if I want to see that. You have 14 cents left in your Robinhood account, so you set a Doge limit by order at 14. That's good. Yeah, go see the first 10 minutes, Northern Orbit. No XRP merch. Hype. Not doing it. Not doing it. My wine company accepted Doge. We were one of the first back 4 years ago. Shopify with Coinbase integration. Cool. Well, whatever House of Doge is going to come up with is going to beat that. And we're waiting. But I think it's going to be bigger than Coinbase. Then Coinbase, right? You can pay with other cryptos. What House of Doge is doing is Dogecoin only. So that's what we're waiting for. I want 100 stickers. Go for it. Charlotte liked the video already. Let's go. Maybe you'll get four stickers and a t-shirt. If he does the banana wrap, he'll be throwing banana peels. Yeah. No Sheeb. No Sheeb in my store. No XRP in my store. No Solana in my store. Nope. Not happening. Not happening. Yeah, so what else is going on, guys? It's like, again, a nice big run today during the FOMC meeting. So some good up and down price action. Liquidations were big. ETH, more liquidations than Bitcoin because ETH went up this morning, took out a lot of short leverage trades. Big short leverage trades on ETH this morning. And if we go to the liquidation heat map, we can see kind of how the day went. Let's see it. Yep, taking out shorts, going up. First at 85, then up to 85.6, 85.9. Look at this, some big shorts right up here at 86.4. You can get over to 86 and get them. But then you get these new longs down here. Always start up. So yeah, we could be in the 84s to take out some of those new longs. Degen gamblers, they're going to do what they do. They're going to do what they do. On the Doge chart or heat map. Oh, they got up here and grabbed that big one up here at 17.5. That was a big chunk of Doge right there. Big short. Got wiped out. See ya. Who's shorting Dogecoin? Sometimes some people ask me, you're going to short Doge? It's like, I'm not going to short Doge. No way. No way. Funniest Indy 500 ever. Who's this Dogecoin card throwing banana peels all over the track? Exactly. It'd be great if somebody could like animate the car like throwing the banana peels. Nope. That big Bitcoin short, he made a ton of money. He made a ton of money on the first short. Then he went long. He made some money. Now he's short again. And then he was going long on Melania token. I don't know what happened to that. I really don't care. But you want to buy wine with Doge? Hey, House of Doge is going to make it happen. Going to make it happen. There's a lot of imitators out there, Frank. Exactly. Dogecoin is the original. There was another new one, and House of Doge reposted something from this Doge van who's trying to help dogs or something. It's like, I get it, but do you need to make a stupid token? And so I sent a message to the House of Doge and just said, be careful what you repost, because we don't need any more meme tokens. You know, this guy, he's got good intentions, trying to help dogs, but he could have just used Dogecoin for that. He didn't have to make a stupid meme token. House of Doge responded, said, yep, we don't need more meme tokens, and thanked me. Just bringing that to their attention, because a lot of people are watching that House of Doge X account and what they post and what they repost. Can't be reposting the stupid knockoff Doge token stuff. Can't be doing that. So yeah, I reached out to them and they thanked me, which was nice. That was nice. 25 cents is a psychological number. That'd be a good start. I'll take that. And then 36. Not Norcoin. 36. There we go. No Pax Cat stuff in the store. No. We don't need him. No, we don't need him on t-shirts. Nope, haven't heard from Calibeats in a while. So we're waiting. We're waiting for his next issuance, whatever that is. Vance says, get the likes up. 145. Is the House of Doge thing a permanent entity? They have a 5-year exclusive contract with the Dogecoin Foundation. So I'd say that's pretty permanent. 5-year exclusive contract. And who knows where it goes from there. Why would you say the House of Doge X account is a fake one, Jordan? You can feel a vibe. You feel it. Raiden, thanks for the super chat. 1 Doge always equals 1 Doge, but 169 likes. 169. 22 more likes. Over 250 people watching. 22 more likes. Jasmine, on the daily stock RSI, but not the weekly. That's right. If you're going to play it right, you got to play it right. Exactly. There's the daily. It's above it, but it hasn't crossed over yet. So that would be confirmation, would be the crossover. And it hasn't crossed over. But the weekly, well, the weekly crossed over last week to buy. So you were just buying on the weekly. I mean, that depends on whether you want to do really long swing trades or you want to do shorter ones. So if you want to do long ones, I mean, this will be months before the weekly stock RSI comes up over 80 on the weekly. But short term on the daily hasn't crossed over yet. So there's still a little room to go up on the crossover. How does Doge look on that? Same for Doge. Hey, the dancing Doge. Yeah, same for Doge. So if you would have followed this, you would have bought Doge at 15.4 on the crossover. And now you would be selling in just a little bit on the swing trade here. Not quite yet. Not quite yet. What's the death cross look like? We're past the death cross. It happened. Let me do that. There it is. So there was the death cross right there. And so now we've moved past that. And what did Doge do? Nothing. Doge is going sideways. Like I said, death cross doesn't mean anything. It's not dumping. It's going sideways. This is the kangaroo market I told you about, right? A week of just sideways trading. Kangaroo market right there. Look at that. It's just one big block for a week, solid. Yeah, I would wish the House of Doge didn't. I mean, we see enough of that Trump Elon stuff all over X that House of Doge doesn't need to keep reposting that. I mean, I agree. They should just keep the Dogecoin. Yeah, Vance, we're not there yet. I wonder what a giga candle would look like for Doge. Well, April 2021, we had some big ones. Brian, I probably get asked this question every other stream, and I always answer the question. I've not seen you ask it before, but others have. So it's probably around 450,000 Dogecoin right now. 460,000, somewhere in there is how much I have. Okay, Nix. First, XRP didn't get a win, right? The SEC is just pulling back their whatever it was against them, right? You can call it an XRP win, but it really isn't. It's just SEC just pulled back their action. Second, XRP is not becoming the Federal Reserve of the United States. No, absolutely not. So Nix react to that. That's not happening. We keep things real here. Is this a good time to buy Dogecoin? Do you think this is the top of the next dump? Or the next? No. DCA. Just DCA. It's really not that hard. Just whenever you see the big red candle, you just buy on the dip. Now it's up here at 17.5 cents. Not financial advice, but yes, Bruce, it would be nice if House of Doge did not repost so many of others' posts. That would be nice. Coming up with their own, maybe they will. They're still ramping up. We'll see. My new favorite sport, racing. Andrew, I don't know exactly. In a couple of weeks, okay? I'll give plenty of time. Do only good every day. The golden cross is going to mean something. Again, it's just two lines crossing back. Dogecoin isn't afraid of no stinking death cross. Exactly. It's a lagging indicator. Exactly. Doesn't tell you what's going to happen in the future. I will buy more when I can. Right now, I have some other financial responsibilities I need to take care of. So I'm not buying at the moment. I've got my 2024 taxes to pay. And I had some big capital gains taxes that I did not envision happening in 2024. So I got to pay the IRS. Stinking capital gains taxes. Other way around. The price raises the market cap, Ali. Price goes up, market cap goes up. Indy 500, let's go. May 25th. I'll be watching the Indy 500 this year. You see, the House of Doge already has affected my life. I now have to watch a stinking car race. I don't have time for that. I don't know. The likes are creeping up. Doge is creeping up. Might be a coincidence. Close the week above 18 cents. That'd be nice. 17.5 now. Yep, if it can get past 17.5 and hold, that will be good. All good things going on with Dogecoin right now. It's just the overall markets are still kind of freaked out by tariffs and, uncertainty. We talked about that last week, that big word, uncertainty. You start making some, peace progress between Ukraine and Russia, but then you've got Israel and Hamas again firing up. So that's not good. DCA works. Hype, are you kidding me? XRP is a USA Federal Reserve? No. Yeah, we got it, Ramon. You don't have to keep saying it. We got it between the past and the future. XRP is predicted to hit 10,000 a coin. No. Maximus. Seriously, dude. Some people are just saying that to get clicks and views. No. It's hard to hold for all-time highs when so many are selling out earlier for personal BS. Wiley, that is true in everything. That's true in stocks. That's true in anything, right? I know. You're 33 Doge, Anthony. No pressure, no stress. Exactly. He did seem like he was in a good mood. I thought so, Takoa. I thought so. I think he kind of knew that there weren't going to be any really serious, tough questions today. Because overall, things are improving. It helps. Makes things a little easier. Three more likes on my count now. I am not breeding Pax Cat. No. Yeah, I don't know, Nix, what's going to happen with X if Dogecoin is going to get implemented there. But if there's a way on the back end that House of Doge can help Elon and the X team, we know that a lot of work on LibDoge has happened in order to integrate back end, especially with Shopify. Shopify already has a partnership set with X. I mean, big things can happen. There's a whole lot of legal regulation stuff that you have to get through. And that's definitely a challenge. Yes, uncertainty. It's the middle of the F, the U, and the D is the uncertainty. You think time-wise, Nix, that the Bitcoin dominance breaking down may happen again? Well, Bruce, thanks for double liking. We now have 170 likes. I need 18 cents, Ramsey says. I need. Take me back to 2021. Boy, that would be awesome. We could do that again. You want to win your own Doge, Vince? I want to win your Doge. Come on. No, Ali, I don't want Dogecoin to have a limited supply. Keep it like it is. As Elon said, it encourages spending, using your Dogecoin to spend. If you put a cap on it, you limit the supply, then it's another Bitcoin. We don't need another Bitcoin. We have Bitcoin. That's what I say. If you win again, Bruce, you're going to keep it? Greg. Awesome. Thank you, sir. Vance. Raiden. Oh my God. All right. We're gonna spread these out, guys. Unless we get more likes. That's for sure. That is for sure. Good luck, Wiley. We should thank everybody. Everybody, thank you. Thank you for being here. Thank you for supporting Dogecoin. Thank you for being part of the family. Thank you also, just because we do only good every day and we have some fun here. So I'm not all the hype stuff like some other channels, and they get much more viewers and much more all of that stuff, but you can't believe a word they say because it's all hype. Here we keep it real. We keep with the news. We keep it from getting out of hand. That's what we do here. So continue to smash the likes. The more likes, the more giveaways today, guys. We're going to do it in stages, all right? We're going to do it in stages. Exactly. That's what I was thinking, Raiden. We'll start at 169. Then if we get to 200, and then Vance, if we get to some other crazy number, otherwise we'll save it for tomorrow for Vance, okay? But I know exactly. That guy is like all over the place. All over the place. Exactly. Dogecoin. Has started it, guys. Has started it. You guys know what to do. Dogecoin. We got this giveaway tool for those that haven't been here before, of which we randomly select someone in the chat who types the word Dogecoin. That's how we do it here on KrissPax Live. You have to type the word Dogecoin in the chat in order to be entered. Not with this lowercase d, got to be a capital D, just like you see on the screen. And that gets you entered into the drawing. We're going to do 3 draws, 33 Dogecoin each for each of 3 draws. At the end, I will give you my email address. You need to email me. Yes, you need to send an email to me to include your YouTube handle and your Dogecoin wallet, because I will be sending Dogecoin tonight from my wallet to your wallet if you win. If you are not a winner, don't send me your Dogecoin wallet. I delete those emails immediately. It's like, nope. Just the winners, please. Dogecoin. We've had a lot of giveaways, guys. This has been awesome. Appreciate everybody who has donated, and of course, everybody who has taken part as well. This is the 30th round of Dogecoin giveaways, guys. 30th round. We've been giving Dogecoin away for over a month. Wow. You only have to type Dogecoin once. If you type it 100 times, you still only get 1 entry. And who knows, maybe StreamYard like discounts you for spamming the chat with, I don't know. All right, guys, let's do this giveaway of Dogecoin. Who's going to win? Sharing the love of Dogecoin. Lil Willie, big brother, you have won again. Now, you have a chance, an opportunity to either accept the Doge, or you can always pass it on if you want. Maybe some of you just entered because you thought it would be fun to enter, but you don't really need to accept it, and you might want to pass it on and let somebody else win. That's up to you. Doesn't matter. But at least tell me, Dogecoin, Wiley. It's people still go with Dogecoin. Well, but you do need to acknowledge in the chat that you have understood. Oh, wow. There you go. All right, Lil Willie. Good job. He's an oh, wow. Oh, wow. You get it, Lil Willie. Congratulations. All right. Now, Lil Willie is not eligible for the next 2 spins because he won this one. That's how it works. We're going to go again. Second spin. Lil Willie, this one is on Raiden. Raiden is the sponsor for these first 3. Mr. Raiden, thank you for the generosity. Let's go. You don't have to type Dogecoin in again if you already have. Same group. Let's go. Winner is almost Ryan. It's almost Ryan. Ultrix. Hey. Congrats, Ultrix. Ryan was so close. He was right there. Yep, not fake Ryan. Congrats, Ultrix. How are you? Rigged. Oh. Hey, Toss, how are you? The next most important FOMC meeting ever. Yeah. Well, Tom Crown will call it the most important one. More important than this one. Hey, haha, thanks, Ultrix. All right. One more to go, guys, on this batch of Doge giveaways. Keeping it real. And rigged. I like that. What a good. I like that. Immerfav. Immerfav? Is that how you pronounce that? Immerfave? I'll say Immerfave. Immerfave. Congratulations. 33 Dogecoin. Unless you want to pass it on, let me know in the chat. You saw my name twice. You saw your name twice, Anthony, but close. Oh, I'm your fave. Oh, yeah, I get it. I'm your fave. You're welcome. Yeah, I totally missed that. I totally missed that. I'm your fave. We have 199 likes, guys. I mean, seriously, how close can we be for more giveaways? Somebody here has not liked the stream yet. We are all your fave. Exactly. Hey, there it is, 200. 200. All right, we're going to give away some more Doge. Greg, you're on, dude. Thank you. Let's do it. For those who've just come in, type Dogecoin in the chat. For those that have already typed Dogecoin in the chat, you're already entered. And of course, Raiden, thank you, sir, for your generosity. Appreciate it. Having some fun. We'll see who wins some more Dogecoin. We're just giving Dogecoin out right and left. Socks loss. Socks loss. Greg? Or socks los? Socks los? Congratulations. Name come up. The name came up on you. You're welcome, Soxos. And now we got another 33 Doge to give away. We are all Doge Spartacus. Han Daniel. Han Daniel. Well, Mr. Han Daniel, congratulations. Congrats. Han Solo. He's Han Daniel. Are you here, Han Daniel? Give a shout out. Some people might have left. I hope not. We're still giving away Dogecoin. Totally rigged. Yeah, Charles. Totally rigged. You have to acknowledge your win, Han Daniel. Otherwise, we pass it on for you. Might have left already? It's happened before. Yep, not here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We are going to respin. Hot done. You can't leave the stream, guys. I know, if he sees the chat replay, or else next time someone will say, hey, we're just going to redraw it. Redraw it. Let's go. Sonic. Sonic. Congrats. Hee. There you are. Awesome. All right, we have another draw now. Wait, no, wait. Sonic's going to pass. Sonic is passing, guys. Thank you, Sonic. Spreading the love of Doge. We draw again. Who's going to win? And the winner is Nicholas. Nicholas. How are you, Nicholas? Waiting to hear from Nicholas. There he is. Thank you. You're welcome. Got you, dude. Congratulations. Congratulations. All right, we've got another spin. So much Doge. The Doge just flows from wallet to wallet to wallet. That is the fun of Dogecoin. Phil Greek, you've won. Phil Greek. I know, Raul. You see your name and you're just like, oh. Everybody passes it on and the stream just becomes never ending. I know, Shot Trade. It just becomes a never ending stream. Everybody passes it on. And the last person selected gets it all. Hey, is the Greek here? Is the Greek here? For those who are just coming in, type Dogecoin in the chat to be entered to win some Dogecoin. We have at least 2 more spins, maybe 3. If the Greek is still here, otherwise we pass it on for him. Oh, I didn't see it, Paranormal. I didn't see it. There it is. Pass to drink and trade. Pass to drink and trade. Okay, we can do that. Pass to. I'm just writing this down. All right. Gotcha. All right. 2 more spins, guys. 2 more spins. You're welcome, Drink and Trade. From the Greek. Raul, you were so close before, and now you hit it. Now you've hit it. I don't know, Greg. I think this is good just on a daily basis. Nice idea, but this is fun. You're welcome, Raul. We'll just keep it simple like this. Isabella, I mean, the names come pretty quick. We got a lot of entries. There's over 200 entries, so riggedy-rigged. Yes. All right. Last spin, guys. This is the last spin. Here we go. Maybe I'm going to win this one. KrissPax, come on. KrissPax. Do it. Glenn Hussard. Hey, Glenn. Congrats. Just acknowledge your win in the chat. And we are good. Unless you want to just pass it on as well. So many people have never received Dogecoin before. So this is the first time someone's actually sending Doge to their wallet, which is a good feeling. When Doge shows up in your wallet, it's like, that's cool. That is cool. Yeehaw. There you go, Glenn. Awesome. Congrats. So here's what you need to do, guys. The winners need to send me an email. You have to send it to this wallet address. That's KrissCrypto@gmail.com. That's KrissKrypto, KrissCrypto@gmail.com. You need to include two things, at least two things in your email. One is your YouTube handle, because it's not always the same as your email address. And the second is your Dogecoin wallet. The Dogecoin wallet needs to begin with the letter D, so that it's on-chain, wallet to wallet. If you don't have one, I recommend the MyDoge app in your phone. Easy wallet to download and use, two-factor authentication, of course. And if you use the MyDoge wallet, you get a seed phrase. It's your Dogecoin in your wallet, as opposed to leaving Dogecoin. No, tomorrow, Vance. Tomorrow. Okay? That'll be tomorrow. Yes, exactly. Tomorrow. Coinbase, Robinhood, if you have your coin sitting on exchange, you don't own that. You don't own those coins. The exchange still owns them. So I highly recommend having your own wallet. And if you want to go like extreme and go for a hardware wallet, the Ledger is what I use. I do have a link in the description below if you want to check out Ledger devices. This is what I use. This is the Nano S Plus, which is the least expensive Ledger. That's really all you need. Unless you're like totally computer illiterate and you want to get the Flex or something like that. That's a little more user-friendly. But this works. But that works pretty well. And I'll give out the Dogecoin later tonight. Meanwhile, look what's happening on the chart, guys. Big green candle while we were giving away Dogecoin. Big green candle. If PaxCat beats my Ledger, I don't lose my crypto, right? I just get another Ledger. And then I recover instead of start a new wallet, and everything will be there. As long as I know what the seed phrase is, I'm good. Because there's no actual crypto on this device. You guys know that, right? This isn't like a wallet like in your pocket where you put money, right? That's not what this is. Basically, what goes on here is a little app. And the little app points from this wallet to the blockchain and says, hey, those coins over there, they belong to this wallet. That's all it is. And if the wallet is destroyed for some reason, or you lose it, you get another one, you recover using your seed phrase, and it says, oh yeah, that Dogecoin over there on that blockchain, yeah, that belongs to this guy. That's how it works. That's how it works. Where am I off-ramping when selling and withdrawing? Oh, I already did one big one. I started last fall, and then in January, I took profits, started slowly, and then when the tariff thing hit the end of January, I sold probably 80-90% of my crypto in order to buy the house, because we had an offer on the house that was accepted and we bought the house. So that's where I am now in our house. And since then, I have made 2 or 3 purchases of more Dogecoin on the dips. But I still have some other stuff to pay. Like I said earlier, I still have my capital gains tax from 2024, mostly from the swing trading I did on stocks, because I made a lot of money doing that. And that was all 2024 profits. So I gotta pay the capital gains on that. That's a lot. I know, CDC, right? That 14-cent Doge was pretty nice, wasn't it? I got 15.6. It's just the overall market, Shaj. It's the uncertainty, the tariff still like looming over. Worldwide economy is still not really booming completely. There's a lot of unrest around the world still, like all of that, right? Waiting for all that to go. Oh, the United States is all about taxes, Rowan. That's how we pay for all the crap. It's taxes. So the tax due date is April 15th on a yearly basis for the previous year's taxes. So 2024 taxes, if you're getting a return, like you paid more than you needed to during the year, then you immediately file and get a return back of what you overpaid. But if you underpaid, like I did, because I was not expecting to do that much trading and make that many profits in 2024, I owe the government. So I'm not paying until April 15th because I'm using the money right now on Robinhood Gold to earn interest and to enter in their gold drawing because I want to win that gold. I want a big bar of gold. So that's what I'm doing with that money. It's sitting in Robinhood with that many extra entries into their gold drawing. I want to win the gold. Yes, Paranormal, 17 cents. $0.17 is still going to be seen as a good price. Pax Cat eats Ledger. We all stand waiting for him. We need to make sure he eats the seed phrase too. What if the Pax Cat eats the feast? Oh, you guys. Oh my God. Oh, where do you offset? Yeah, where? Sorry, I read that as when. It was Coinbase and Robinhood. It was those two. Transferring back. The Doge, I did all back to Robinhood. So when I was selling the Dogecoin, it wasn't having an effect on the price because Robinhood isn't an exchange really. So I did it back to Robinhood, but others went to Coinbase. Coinbase. And then I had one I had to use on Binance US, and that was Harmony One because that doesn't trade on Robinhood or Coinbase. So I had to send that back to Binance US, sell it to Tether to USDT, and then transfer the USDT from Binance US to Coinbase, and then sell the USDT into US dollars. So then I could send that to my bank. So that's what I ended up doing. Leave the cannolis, grab the seed phrase. Well, the seed phrase doesn't have as much on it now as it did at the beginning of the year. There was a lot at the beginning of the year. And I'm kind of glad I don't have that much right now. That was a lot. Hey, they can have the ledger. You can have it. You just don't have the seed phrase. Be worthless. It would be worthless for you. I think that 1 kilo gold bar sitting at 98K right now. I've got a lot of entries, Alexander. I now have a lot of entries. So that would be nice. Gold is at an all-time high again today, and during the FOMC meeting hit yet another new all-time high. It's like 3,050, I think that was. Gold. I have it here somewhere. There it is. Yeah, it spiked up here over 3,050 right during the FOMC meeting. That makes Peter Schiff happy. He's just spouting on about gold, how proud he is. Yeah, good for you. You just missed out on the great gains that I had on Dogecoin and Jasmine. If I had all that money in gold, I would not have been able to afford this house. So, good for you though, Peter. Good for you. Is Trump supposed to make a Bitcoin announcement? I heard he was attending some conference. I don't know. I know. Can't stand that guy. Every once in a while at night, I see a live stream and I just check in on him, and it's the same stuff over and over again. PaxCat is controlling the market. I think he does. He might be the big whale shorting Bitcoin right now. Ah, that cat. Ah. Exactly, Milkman. Win a gold bar with the tax money and then pay taxes on the gold bar. Exactly. Hey, it'd be cool if I won. You never know. They're giving away gold because it's Robinhood Gold. That's the name of the platform that you pay $5 a month to be on, is Robinhood Gold. And so that's why they're giving away gold. They're promoting people to join Robinhood Gold. You can only enter the competition if you've joined Robinhood Gold. So it's a marketing thing. Thank you, Aaron. Yes, the house was, it was my main crypto goal, was the house. Being able to buy the house with no mortgage, all cash. That was the deal. And yes. So from here, everything is just golden from here. It's extra. Everything I make from now on, because I achieved my goal. So now it's just continuing to have fun with Doge, supporting the House of Doge, Dogecoin adoption, hanging out with you guys, having fun, spreading the love of Doge. That's what I'm doing now. Because we're very happy. Now, I still have capital gains tax to pay, right? So I've got a bunch, right? Big stack to pay capital gains taxes on the 2025 profits, but I don't have to pay that till April of 2026. I got plenty of time. Plenty of time. Anthony, you are just a ray of sunshine. It all depends on when you measure it from. But from when I was buying Dogecoin, Dogecoin outperformed gold by 300%. So there you go. Well, Patrick, he shorted, then he went long, and now he's shorting again. It's tough to keep up, I know. But yeah, he's short again. They're giving away a month of Robinhood Gold. That's like $5. I hope you win. Maybe I'll pass it on. I pass it on. Remember when they said the ATM would ruin banking? Now everyone uses the ATM. You never know. David says, I'm going to win the gold. No, it's going to be me. Good luck, bundles. Good luck. It's a great journey. Yep, $5 a month. But at 4% interest, if you have decent money sitting there, particularly in a bear market, if the prices are going to go down, it's a good place to have some money making interest. Plus, you get other little perks too, being a Robinhood Gold member. Yeah, capital gains tax to pay for now. What is the Trump administration going to do on crypto gains? What are they going to do? We know tax cuts are coming. We don't know what all is in there. We don't know what all is in there. Right, Sunshine. It all depends on when you measure it from. If you measure it from a particular day, like 2 months ago, gold has outperformed Dogecoin. Sure. But over time, gold doesn't even touch Doge. Doesn't even touch it. Yeah, I didn't look at the bracket thing. I saw there was something going on with Mars, but I don't know what it is. I don't do the basketball brackets, so if I win, it's rigged. I haven't even won my own giveaways yet. I mean, come on. Yeah, the Lazarus group was identified possibly, but what I've been reading the past day or so, there are more thinking that it's not that Lazarus group out of North Korea. It's some other hacker playing with Bitcoin. Robinhood gave me free Apple stock. Yeah. I got free NVIDIA stock. President Trump is going to make a major update on his upcoming crypto strategy. Oh no, don't want to go there. No. Don't want to do that. We just want to get fresh YouTube page here. Live now. White House briefing, but nothing on Trump. Nothing on Trump yet. Trump has not been a big catalyst yet for crypto, Frank. See you, Vance. More fun tomorrow. Every time there's news about crypto strategy, the market tanks. Yes, exactly. Yeah, CDC, that was a long time ago, and you like disappeared. That's all right. That was a while ago. Yeah, you did. You heard someone screaming no. RR. All exchange giveaways are rigged. If I win, then you know it's not rigged. But if I don't win, it's rigged. That's how you know for this one. When is the Robinhood Gold credit card coming? I don't know. I haven't paid attention to it, David. Haven't really paid attention. You're welcome. Drink and trade. I'll be looking for your email later. All right, the big news today, guys, is House of Doge in the Indianapolis 500 with these Dogecoin wrapped cars. Which one is going to be chosen? I think it's going to be Blaze. Personally, I think it'll be Blaze. But yes, Dogecoin is making an appearance in the Indy 500 this year. Driver Devlin DeFrancesco, who is also a holder and fan of Dogecoin, is driving the car for the Rahal Letterman Lanigan RLL racing team, the Indy 500. This is big, and this is really the House of Doge. This is kind of their big first effort on Dogecoin that they are co-sponsoring is this. And there's a lot of things going on, connecting a lot of dots between Toronto and Miami and like everything that Tim Stebbing was saying. And I mean, it's like, so this is the first big deal. It's kind of a marketing thing more than anything else, right? Although the driver said he was going to accept payment in Dogecoin, right? So that's pretty cool. And then from here, we'll see where the House of Doge is going. People just not believing the House of Doge is a real thing, but they are. They are. They've a lot of money invested in this. So we will see how it all plays out. We will be following along. Still waiting to see who the president and CEO is. I think I know, but I can't say. Because, you know, you figure things out, but there's non-competes and stuff like that. And I don't want to get in trouble or involved in that. So we have that going on. Otherwise, hey, we hit 17.5 cents. We're up here now. Bitcoin at 85.5. If we can maintain this as a nice base and go higher from here, that will be awesome. So until tomorrow, I hope everyone has a great evening. We'll see you next time.
Dogecoin, which started as a complete joke, has like skyrocketed to not a joke anymore. It hit an all-time high of almost 10 cents yesterday, but it was so minuscule you wouldn't have understood why you have millions of shares.
Didn't Elon tweet that too?
And arguably, the most entertaining outcome and the most ironic outcome would be that Dogecoin becomes the currency of Earth in the future.